Hello and welcome to Craftiosity, the subscription box of modern craft kits. This month we're putting a modern geometric twist on a project inspired by a material much loved by the ancient Greeks and creating the perfect place to pop your cuppa or glass after a long day. We're making marble effect hexagonal coasters out of modelling clay. Inside your kit you'll find your 3 modelling clays, your card cutter, a wooden rolling pin, your Hexagon Template, baking parchment and sandpaper. You'll also find your step-by-step photo instructions. Ensure you have a smooth, clean surface to work on, as any imperfections will show up on your clay. Unwrap your 3 clays following the packet instructions. Cut out your hexagon shape just outside of the black lines. Using your card and following the dividing lines on the clay, cut off 1 strip of white and 1 strip of black clay. Swap these pieces over and place them next to the larger remaining blocks. Then cut 2 strips of gold and place 1 of each next to each set of black and white. Choose either your dark or light set to work with first. Place the other set to the side for now. Cut each of the clays in this set in half and place in 2 equal piles. Repeat for the other set. These will create your 4 coasters. Seal your remaining gold clay as per the packet notes. Taking 1 set of clays for 1 coaster, roll each colour individually into a long sausage shape around 15 centimeters long. Place the rolls on top of each other, then holding both ends, gently twist with both hands so that your clays start to wrap around each other. Twist around 10 times. Fold your twisted roll in half and squish slightly into a rounded ball. Twist the ball a few more times and then place aside ready to be rolled out. Repeat these steps for the other 3 piles of clay. You should now have 4 balls of marbled clay ready to roll out. Place a piece of baking paper onto your baking tray to check that it fits. Fold it in half, then half again to divide into quarters. Then unfold and lay it down on your workspace with 1 ball of clay in each quarter. Turn your oven on to preheat at 110 degrees Celsius or 100 degrees Celsius for fan-assisted ovens. Using the rolling pin, gently roll 1 ball out until it is large enough for the hexagon template to sit on top of it. The rolled clay should be around 3 mm deep. Using your card cutter angled on its side, firmly press down on each edge of the hexagon to cut the shape out of the clay. Remove any excess clay. Repeat for the other 3 balls of clay until you have 4 hexagons on your sheet of baking parchment. Lift the paper carefully and place this directly onto your baking tray. Bake in the oven at 110 degrees or 100 degrees for fan-assisted ovens for 30 minutes. Keep an eye on the coasters to check they aren't burning. You'll see this as discoloration, particularly to the white clay. Once your coasters have baked, carefully remove the tray from the oven and leave to cool. Once totally cool to the touch, gently sand the edges with sandpaper to smooth them. Any impurities on the surface can be gently sanded too, although note that this might affect the pattern and colour if you sand down through the layers of the marble. And well done, your coasters are complete. Thanks so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and we look forward to welcoming you to the next craft kit next month.